Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today I'm going to tell you something more important. See, like when I started my this journey of spoken English, in the starting it was not easy for me because being a Haryanvi, I didn't have any environment, I didn't have any partner with whom I can do practice. But what is the main step I took for this journey? So you know what, yes yes, I was doing lots of practices before also, but what happened with me in the starting when what is the main step I took for my this journey? So I took a 90-day challenge of spoken English. uh, and I'm just want to tell you one thing: what is the benefit of taking this challenge, and what if I do not take this challenge? Okay, so see, like as I told you, before taking this challenge, I do lots of practices. Okay, making videos. Yes, still I was still making video at that time. And like doing practice in front of mirror and written diaries and all the practice I do. But before taking this 90-day challenge, still I was lacking in confidence. I didn't have courage to face uploading videos, and there's a lots of negativity I had at that time. So when I took a resolution to take this 90-day challenge, so yes, I was feeling very afraid in the starting, like what if I was not able to complete this, because 90 days is not is not as much as very short duration. It is a very, not a big duration, but for a fresher it was a very big duration. So when I was like that, okay, you took this challenge, then of course I will have to complete it. Then after making first day video, and I started facing lots of challenges. So like why I'm sharing this 90-day challenge journey of me, because whenever it is not about to 90-day challenge. If you want to be make this thing, okay, did you notice one thing, that whenever we have any time limit work, so our mind stimulates, it's a very strictly. Because suppose you have a in the college or in the school also, whenever teacher gave us a assignments and all the test, and also the way we prepared, because our mind know that uh, we have a time limit, and we have to do this work in that particular time limit. Okay, and at the same time, we can apply these things here also. Because see, like suppose I was not able to take 90-day challenge, but I can take, like a 1 week challenge, and 21 days. So I just want to tell you here one thing, that the challenge, our mind stimulates more after taking challenges. Because like whenever we have a pressure, you have to, yes, you have to maintain a positive pressure. It doesn't mean that yes, after taking this challenge and you were like that, okay, it is a pressure, and how could I complete this? No, after taking this challenge, you have to be make sure that you maintain this positive attitude, like okay, i mean I if I started this challenge, then okay, I will have to able to complete this challenge. So you have to make sure that you have to complete it, with positive attitude. There is no need to be negativity, and negative thoughts, negative aura, no. And the main thing is that whenever I just want to tell you one thing: if you really want to start this journey of spoken English, you know uh, I'm just suggesting you this challenge. You can take 1 week challenge, you can take 5 day challenge, you can take 21 days or 60 days, 30 days. But whenever you take challenge, your mind start working fast. Okay, so in the same way, like, and I'm going to tell you, what if I do not take this challenge? I was not able to speak like this. If you watch my first day video, I did lots of mistakes, and the fear I had, fear of judging, and I had lacking of confidence, courage also. But see, it is a learning process, and we have to be make sure that like we have to be find out our mistakes and working on them. That's it. How can we think that we have to be make perfect in the starting? No, there is no perfection. The first thing is that. Okay, so these are the things I want to tell you, like, taking challenge is the best thing of my life, because i uh, I didn't even think I can, I can make videos and I can upload these videos, because as I told you, like, being a Hyan, it was not difficult. I mean, it was very difficult for me. I mean, the environment I had, all the time I spoke, all the time I speak my native language. Still I'm, yes, still I'm using my native language. But the thing is that now my mind, uh, now my mind creates that environment of speaking English, because now it feels like, comfortable with this environment of English. So that's why I'm saying, like, if you really want to think that, I mean, you can start this journey of spoken English. So first you have to, like, first you have to do all the practices, and whenever you feel comfortable with these practices, so you have to be take challenge. Because somehow, yes, we are still lacking in confidence, and we need positivity, we need positive attitude, we need positive aura. So for these things you have to take a challenge. Okay, and it's really working, I'm telling you. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you really think that like my efforts will help you, so please stay tuned with me. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.